Alright, I don't know if this is normal for these or not. Every time I hook this thing up, it gets excessively hot. It's at 141 Fahrenheit. You cannot touch the back of it. You can, but you're not going to want to hold your hand there very long. My battery wires aren't really warm. And we're, according to this, I'm 15.3 amps. This is 25 amp charge controller. It can accept any amount as long as the voltage isn't over 120 volts. But what it does is it'll take like the voltage and convert it into current. But the most it can put into the battery is 25 amps. So, as opposed to this one, which can't convert voltage into current, it just will put through whatever you put through, and it's a 60 amp, and it never gets hot. It doesn't even get warm at all. So my solar panel setup is 4 panels, 2 in series, paralleled with each other, and then that puts me at basically a 24 volt system, but each panel is almost 19 volts piece, so I'm very close to 40 volts. Right now, this shows me 36, but that's because this is affecting the voltage. If I undo this right now, it will most likely read 40 volts. There we go. And you see there's no current because I disconnected it. So let me pause this and plug that back. So when you plug it back in, it drops at 35, 36 volts. And it's taking my, well, whatever, my 6 amps, I think, and converting it to around 16. So 6 amps going in. But, I mean, this thing is just unbelievably hot. Something's going to fail, I think. And I bought this thing for 40 bucks, and there were some problems with it. And I had to replace the protection diodes. And so I know there's like a safety cutoff temperature. So let me see, is this thing going to shut itself off? Is it going to melt? Is it going to catch on fire? What's it going to do? I'm tired of messing around with it. I think I smell something right now already. So, because if I can't use it, what's the point? I just wasted 40 bucks on it. And I don't see a problem anywhere, so there's nothing that I can fix. So we just have to wait and see if it's going to protect itself, if it's just too much. But I've read the entire manual, and they say that you can put whatever you want into it. It's just only going to output 25 amps. So it sparks quite a bit when you hook your wires to the battery terminals, which kind of seems a little concerning to me, but I don't know. I'm just kind of done screwing with it. We'll just see what it does. And then once I know that it's no good, I don't have to worry about it no more. Just go back to that one and then find something else.